Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing my version of healthy wheat halwa, also known as Atta Halwa. This wheat halwa is easy to make. It takes just under 15 minutes to make at home. It does not contain any added refined sugar and a perfect quick Diwali sweet which can be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. To make wheat halwa, also known as Atta Halwa, I'm using some dry fruits. So I'm roughly chopping the dry fruits. And once roughly chopped, keep the dry fruits aside. For flavor, I'm using cardamoms. This is about 8 cardamoms, which I'm just crushing. And once crushed, peel off the skin and grind the seeds to a fine powder. Once ground, keep it aside. Heat a heavy bottomed kadai with half cup desi ghee. I'm using A2 desi ghee. Now you need to measure all the ingredients in the same cup. I have measured half cup kapli wheat flour. Kapli wheat is an ancient variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule and it is high in fiber. Hence I prefer to use them more in my recipes. However, if you don't have kapli wheat at hand, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour instead. Now you need to measure all the ingredients in the cup with which you measured the desi ghee. I have measured half cup of water and I am lightly heating it up. The water should be lukewarm. Once the desi ghee is heated, add in the chopped nuts and raisins. Lightly roast the nuts and raisins and once lightly roast, remove to a plate. Into this, add in half cup kapli wheat flour. Give it a stir. And roast the wheat flour on low flame. Kapli wheat has a subtle dark reddish brown color which will be prominent once the halwa is done. Hence the halwa will be more darker than the one made with whole wheat flour. So you may need to roast the wheat flour for some time until the color changes and the raw flavor diminishes. And all through the making of the halwa, you need to stir it so that it does not get stick to the bottom of the pan. Stirring the ingredients is a must when you are making halwa. If you don't stir it often, the halwa may get burnt and the flavor and color and texture may change. Also, kapli wheat has a slight coarse texture than normal whole wheat flour. Remember, I have put the flame on the lowest and the flame should be on low all through the cooking. I'm also using a heavy bottomed steel kadai which retains more heat. And you can see that the color has suddenly started to change. Stir it really well. And at this stage, I'm adding in half cup lukewarm water. Keep stirring it. Add in half cup crushed jaggery powder. This is organic jaggery which does not contain any sand or dirt or dust particle. And stir it really well so that the jaggery gets melted. So this is a really quick and easy halwa recipe. And like I mentioned before, as you can see, once the halwa is done, it is dark reddish brown color. And that is because I used kapli wheat to make this halwa. After a few minutes, you can notice ghee starting to release out and the halwa is not sticking to the kadai and ghee has started releasing out. So at this stage, I am turning off the flame, add in the ground cardamom, the roasted dry fruits, give it a stir. And my quick and easy wheat halwa is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy wheat halwa and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.